welcome back to my channel Gossips. I know that I have been pretty MIA. That's because मुझे आजकल vlogs बनाने में बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है and I'm constantly uploading vlogs on my other channel which you've not subscribed to yet. तो उसका description box में link है. वहाँ पे मैं almost अपने हर हफ्ते के vlogs डाल रही होती हूँ. What I'm doing, extremely candid and random stuff. तो वहीं से आज मुझे ये idea आया कि I usually film a lot of get ready with me's on this channel. But I hardly ever film a get unready with me. यानी कि event के लिए तैयार हो गए, event पे चले गए, all school. But what after you come back? You're coming back home and now's your time to unwind, relax, tie your hair back up, do some skincare and just relax. So आज की video is about my current skincare routine which is a very hydrating यानी कि एक फुल हाइड्रेशन से भरी हुई स्किन केयर रूटीन क्योंकि जैसे ही सर्दियाँ करीब आने लगती है माई स्किन ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट्स गोइंग टू द ड्रायर साइड. आई एम श्योर आपके साथ भी ये होता ही होगा. सो माई स्किन हैज़ करंटली स्टार्टेड लुकिंग वेरी डिहाइड्रेटेड. यानी ये तो सारा हाईलाइटर और ब्लश ऑन का जादू है, द ग्लो दैट यू कैन सी. लेकिन आई लाइक माई स्किन टू ग्लो लाइक दिस with skincare, not with makeup. So I'm going to be sharing what I usually do to get the glow back on and keep my skin really hydrated. And this video is also a drugstore version, so I hope that you guys enjoy this. Let's get started. So right after changing into my PJs and taking all of my accessories off, I like to put my hair back up in a bun or in a ponytail. I personally love using these scrunchies because they're so comfortable to put your hair up, especially if you like to tie your hair up while you're sleeping. I know I do. The next step is to take off any additional things that you have on you, चाहे वो contact lenses हों या वो eyelashes हों. I personally have eyelash extensions on right now, so I cannot really take them off. I miss just ripping them off right now though, क्योंकि सुकून मिलता है. And because of that, I can't even just rub my eyes, which is something that we all love to do after a very tiring day. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of water and wet my face before I use my cleanser to take all of my makeup off. The one that I've been loving recently is the Soap & Glory Poreless Foaming Face Wash. This is perfect for people with big pores and oily skin. Plus, if you do put on makeup on a daily basis, this is super duper gentle and takes your makeup off perfectly. I love to put some time into the cleansing because this is the main part for cleaning your skin. So I just washed my face and you can see that it's cleansed it perfectly. So now this step is only for people who have eyelash extensions like I do right now. If you noticed, I could not clean my eyes like I normally would with the cleanser. So this is what I do to keep my lid and my eyelashes clean. I take a brush and move it in the same motion with the cleanser. Very lightly and softly because अगर मैंने ये ज़रा भी ज़ोर से किया the eyelashes can come off literally. मेरी भी और ये वाली भी. That's what I think. So I like to be very gentle with it. Now that I didn't realize कि मैंने दोनों आंखों पे ये लगा दिया था, I had to do something about it. Thank God for this mugga right here. I just cleaned my eyes फौरन से. Now I'm very gently pat drying with these tissues so that my eyelashes are not wet anymore. For very obvious reasons, I'm not being harsh. Then I take this spoolie brush and properly brush them out again very gently because I don't want to ruin them and I do not want them to fall off. It's only been 3 days since I got them done. So because I told you it's a very hydrating skincare tutorial, I am using the MK Cosmetics Cucumber Gel Mask. Cucumber has amazing cooling and hydrating properties in it. If you want, you can even go ahead with an actual cucumber mask because I personally love that. I mix a real cucumber with some bananas, I blend it and then I put it on my face. Nothing works better than that, trust me when I say it. लेकिन अभी फ़िलहाल बहुत ठंडी ठंडी मज़े की feeling चाहिए थी. So I just took this mask and I'm going to apply a very thin layer of it. This also leaves my skin very fresh and silky. But I personally love that thandi soothing feeling which I get after applying this one. After applying the mask, wait for 10 to 15 minutes, enjoy that time, read a book, do whatever you want, and then wash your face off. Now, this next step, when we're talking about glow and we don't talk about niacinamide, that's impossible, okay? If you want to see a whole video that I've done on this very product, uska link bhi description box mein mentioned hai. I just took a few drops and I applied it onto my skin. You can see that glow. मतलब मुझे कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है at this point. You can see what it's doing. And this one product has changed my skincare game for life. I don't think I'm ever quitting on this one. Now that the skin is super hydrated, it's time to hydrate those lips. And I'm using the Co-Natural Lavender Lip Balm. This is what I do because it's my personal lip balm. I can do this. There's no problem in that. You can do it to yours as well. So now comes the last step of this skincare routine, which is moisturizer. And these days, I have been loving the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer because, oh my god, when it says Hydro Boost, it means hydration boost. And you can see that on my skin. I have not gone a single day without this moisturizer, day and night, since I've gotten it, क्योंकि इसका main ingredient ही hyaluronic acid है, and that just makes your skin look so glowy, so moisturized, so hydrated that I love its result. So I also really like to work my moisturizer in because I have to go the whole night with this and I like to wake up with really soft, glowy, supple skin in the morning. So now that I'm done, can you actually see that glow on my skin? जो मैंने कहा था that I like to achieve this glow with skincare, not with makeup. This is what I meant. So this is actually the last step, वो वाला नहीं था, which is hand cream. So I personally use the Neutrogena hand cream because एक तो it's very small in packaging, तो ये मेरे बैग में fit आ जाती है. But I only enjoy using this at night time because इसके बाद कोई और काम तो करना होता नहीं है. The hands are free, so you can let the product just work in and then you can wake up with really soft hands in the morning. And just like that, we're done with this very simple and basic skincare routine. You can see the after effects that it has on my skin as well. Now, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!